Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? I am back with another RCT3 Park Tour, and this time it is of another custom scenario park that I have made here. This park is called Custom Scenario Burping Kingdom, and so anyways, let's just go inside the park. So when you first enter Custom Scenario Burping Kingdom, you'll get a have main type ride right here. Let me get a better view of it. So right here is my have main type ride, or if you were to go to the left after you first enter, you would get a zipper type ride right here, as you see. And here is a buffalo roundabout type ride, which you would also get if you would keep going straight. And here is my snake helter skelter slide. And here are a couple of fountains which look really nice. And here is the iconic Stratosphere Tower right in the center front of the park. You will see it when you first enter. Along with and here when you first enter, you'll get a restroom also, and a burger stand, and the My Tuck Truck stand. And here is my gallows swing type ride. And here is my air-powered coaster on this midway, which is called Barefoot Sprint Force. And here is my chair swing type ride. And here's my Sky Sling type, Here is my Sky Sling type ride, the air-powered coaster. This Barefoot Sprinting Force's airtime hill gotten away, so here it is. Hi, Barefoot Sprint Force, how are you? And here is the Gravity Group winning coaster I have here called Cheyenne's Rushing Farts. And here is a bison burger stand, followed by a chicken stand, followed by a coconut drink stand. And here is my Bat Hari coaster, which is on the upper midway, by the way, and it's called Lively Smiles Express. And here is a better view of it, by the way. And here is a restroom. And here is a Saltaments type ride I have here. And here is my Strata coaster right here, which is called the Crisis Madness. And here is my Swing Dance type ride. And here is my Top Star type ride. And here is my restroom. And here is an Aero suspended coaster I have here, which is called the Stomach Stink Craziness. And here is my Bucking Bull type ride, followed by my Rollo Plane type ride. And here is my B&M Dive coaster, which is one of the rides on the upper midway. And here it is. It is called the Cold Grass of Fear. And here is a donut stand I have right here on the way to my Rollo Plane type ride from Zipper's Exit. And here is my Windseeker type ride right here. And yep, here's my Windseeker type ride. And here's my Dinosaur Go-Around type ride, before I forget. And my Rocket Boost Cantina stand and my coffee stand. And here is a vending machine, followed by a whole bunch of coconut palm trees and restrooms. And here is another pizza stand. And here is my, right here is my B&M Floorless coaster, which is called Burping Vengeance. And here's a better view of it. And here is my water park, which is called City of Heartwarming Bare Feet Wrinkles. And here is my water slide complex, which is called Oshitake Mushrooms Pit. The body slides are called Liana Falls. And the tube slides are called Lee's Revenge. And here, the blue tube slide is called Carol's High-Pitched Scream. And here is my tornado slide, which is called the Christmas Shopping Rush Heart Attack. And here's a better view of it. Hold on. here's a better view of it, like an aerial view. And here is my inflatable ship attraction. And here is my Phoenix Twister type ride right here. And here is my planetarium right here, which people are finally paying attention to, thank goodness. And here is my Topple Tower type ride right here. And here is my Flying Jumbos type ride, which I didn't give it a name this time, I just called it Flying Dumbos. Flying Jumbos, I'm sorry. Why am I getting my letters mixed up? Anyways, here is my Twister type ride that I added. Oh my god, I forgot to add a queue. Oh, and I forgot to open it too. Let me do that real quick, guys. Why am I so clumsy in these videos? Holy crap. There you go, Twister. You are open to the public now. And so, anyways, here is my restroom. Yes, another restroom I have here. And here is my 360 launch tower, which I didn't give a name this time, and I usually tend to not give my 360 launch towers names, but I think maybe I should now. I've been inspired to start giving them names by EB and I's hangout on Sunday. And so, anyways, I might start giving my 360 launch towers funny names, so stay tuned. And so, anyways, here is my X Factor type ride. And here is my Intimate Impulse coaster, which is called Haley Samarco's Smokin' Toes Curl. Why are people leaving? Come on, ride it! What is this woman thinking over here? I want to go home? What? Just ride the Intimate Impulse coaster. Get the cred. And so, anyways, here is my S&S Twisted Looper, which is called the Smokin' Bear Souls of Carly Hobel. Yeah, it's that clone. And so, anyways, here is my restroom. And yes, another restroom. And here is my crazy out and back police car coaster, which is called Fireball Shock. And here is a better view of it. In fact, an aerial view. If you look over here and over here, as you can see, it goes all the way out there. Out there and all the way out there by my Gerstlauer Eurofighter, which I'll show you in a bit, and all the way back to the station. Ta-da! And so, anyways, here is another restroom I have here, right across from the right across from the queue for Fireball Shock. And here is my Gerstlauer Eurofighter I mentioned before, called the Dinner Table Joker. And here is my Paratrooper type ride. And here is my Rocket type ride. And as you can see, we are just making our way back to the upper midway of the park where we started. Yep, I showed you those stands. And I showed you this restroom. And so, I think that pretty much covers it for this RCT3 Park Tour of Custom Scenario Burping Kingdom and City of Heartwarming Bare Feet Wrinkles. Reply to me your thoughts on this video. And, oh, I almost forgot to show you this McDonald's stand right here. And the Crazy Bus type ride over here. And this stand right over here, which sells coffee. And yeah, so that concludes this park tour for real. So reply to me your thoughts on this video, and make sure to stay tuned for a lot more coming to Coaster Plus Music 19, and I will see you in the next. Whoops, I forgot to show you this restroom I have here, which is right next to the iconic Stratosphere Tower. And yeah.